Hey Beautyistic fam, do you struggle with razors that just don't give you that smooth, nick-free shave you've been craving? If you're tired of dealing with dull blades or razors that slip and slide, then today's review could be just what you need. Let's talk about the Billie Women's Razor Kit. This razor promises to deliver a smooth, comfortable shave every time, something every woman deserves in her beauty routine. It's a sleek, modern option designed to make shaving easier, more effective, and yes, definitely more stylish. So what's in this kit? You get a non-slip ergonomic handle, 4 5-blade razor refills, and a magnetic holder to keep everything nice and tidy in your shower. Now, I'm going to walk you through my experience with this razor, and by the end of this video, you'll know whether or not it's worth your time and money. First things first, the razor's 5 blades are designed to be sharp, nickel-free, and rust-resistant. For someone like me who has sensitive skin, that's a huge plus. The aloe shave soap surrounding those blades offers a soothing barrier that protects against irritation. It glides on smoothly, reducing that post-shave redness or stubble feel. The handle is another feature I was really impressed by. It's ergonomic and has this non-slip grip that feels really comfortable in your hand, even when it's wet. Plus, the pivoting head is perfect for getting all those tricky areas around your knees and ankles without needing to stretch or contort in uncomfortable ways. Now, onto the magnetic holder. This is a game changer. It sticks securely to your shower wall and keeps your razor off the shelf and out of that dreaded shower puddle. No more soggy blades, just a small, thoughtful addition that really adds convenience and keeps your razor in top shape. Is this razor as good as it sounds? In my real-world testing, it definitely delivered. I used it for my regular leg and underarm shave and was impressed by how effortlessly it glided over my skin. The blades stayed sharp throughout the shave, and I didn't have to worry about any nicks or cuts. The aloe shave soap provided just enough moisture to keep things feeling smooth without the need for an additional shaving cream. On the flip side, I do wish the handle was a little more customizable for different grip preferences. While the ergonomic design worked well for me, it might not fit perfectly in every hand. Also, for some, the price could feel like a bit of a splurge compared to other razors on the market. When it comes to value for money, the Billie Women's Razor Kit sits on the higher end of the spectrum. But considering the thoughtful design, the high-quality blades, and the inclusion of the magnetic holder, I would say it's definitely worth the price if you're looking for a more elevated shaving experience. If you're on a tighter budget but still want a high-quality shave, there are plenty of other razors out there that can do the job for less. However, if you're someone who values style, performance, and ease of use, this could be a great addition to your routine. As for build quality and longevity, the materials feel premium. The magnetic holder is sturdy, and the handle feels solid in your hand. I didn't notice any wear on the blades after several uses, so I have high hopes for the long-term durability of this kit. So, is this razor the right choice for you? If you're after a comfortable, smooth, and easy shave with thoughtful design features, I think you'll love it. It's especially great for anyone who struggles with razors that rust or clog easily, or for those looking for a more streamlined shaving kit. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used the Billie Women's Razor Kit, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. Your feedback is always so helpful for other viewers. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.